If I ask you like this, when you were a baby, how did you learn your first words? Did you read? What did you do? Listen. You listen. If you want to speak language, foreign language, you need to listen, but listen actively, not passively. You know what's the difference between active listening and passive listening? For example, passive listening is when you hear information and you forget it in 1 minute or 5 minutes, you already forget it. Active listening is when you listen for details. You listen for every single sound. You listen for every single clue. That's active listening. And foreign language learners, they need to have that skill developed, and that is to sharpen your ears to listen for details. Plus, if you add to that listening, you add pronunciation practice. You try to pronounce, you try to speak out the sound, it's even better. Try to communicate in that language. The foundation of every language is vocabulary, right? Vocabulary is the key. Tanpa kosakata, kamu nggak bisa mengekspresikan diri sendiri. Nah, itu faktanya. Meskipun kamu fasih grammarnya, tapi kosakatanya kurang, gimana bisa pakai grammarnya? Kamu fasih tensesnya, kamu bisa menghafal tensesnya, termasuk perfect tense ya, past perfect, kamu tahu. Tapi tanpa kosakata, can you use tense? No. But if you speak in a broken English, I understand what you want to say because you have vocabulary. Just as, for example, when I speak Indonesian, my Indonesian is not perfect. There's lots of errors, but I don't focus on that. I focus on vocabulary. Every single day to add at least 5 more words. 5 kosakata yang baru. Menambah. It's like in your virtual kamus virtual dalam diri sendiri. That's how it works. But language has to be practiced. Memorizing is important, especially when it comes to verbs. Kata kerja itu harus menghafal, jangan pakai logika ya. Dalam bahasa Inggris enggak ada logika. Jadi you need to memorize the verbs, especially irregular verbs. Regular are easy, just add ed, right? But irregular, they don't make sense. Contohnya, read, read. Tulisannya sama. Tapi caranya ngomong beda. Read, read. Gimana kamu bisa paham tanpa listening? You will think that everything is read, but it's not. So listening is the key.